Water utilities worldwide lose an estimated 30% of freshly treated drinking water through leaks in their distribution network. A stainless flexible service line made from stainless steel partially corrugated tubing is an effective solution for service line applications. Over the last 40 years, across millions of connections in Asia's largest cities, stainless steel service lines have been proven to dramatically reduce water loss and the number of repairs required. Stainless flexible service line is a robust, safe, and highly durable solution. It offers water utility companies and authorities major benefits. Its installation is quick and easy, with the added benefit of being totally flexible. With the ground prepared, the installation takes less than 20 minutes. The installer slips the tapping saddle over the water main and inserts the second bolt through the flanges. When the tapping saddle is properly positioned, he fully tightens the bolts. The installer screws an adapter onto the tapping valve. Then, he attaches the tapping machine to the adapter. The ductile iron main is tapped. A coupling is attached to the tapping valve to connect it to the stainless steel partially corrugated tube. The tube is lightweight, flexible, and easy to work with. A groove near the end of the tube improves the mechanical connection between the tube and the fitting. At the meter isolation valve, the tube is bent into the required shape and cut to length. This valve will be connected to the water meter in the future. After ensuring that the installation is leak-free, it is ready for the meter to be installed. Backfilling is a straightforward task. Stainless flexible service line is a robust, safe, and highly durable solution. It's easy to install, it's cost-effective, and above all, it offers an environmentally sustainable solution that will ensure the delivery of safe water supplies for generations to come.